What are the top 3 causes of budget failure? Many people make an honest attempt to budget, but become discouraged and give up before they're able to accomplish any significant financial gain. The top 3 causes of budget failure come into play before you even begin to set up your budget. Awareness of these budget busters is your first line of defense in the battle of the budget. Budget buster number 1 is a negative attitude. If you don't have a positive attitude about budgeting and think of it more as restrictions and penny pinching, you're going to fail. A positive attitude means you think of the budget as a way to an end, that you can achieve the things that you want by postponing the gratification of spending all the money right now for the rewards we're going to earn later. Budget buster number 2 is a lack of motivation. So what is your motivation for budgeting? Are you just trying to please somebody else, or are you in trouble with credit or somewhere where you need to make some changes? These kind of pressures are not really positive for long-term change to keep that going. Your best motivators are going to be internal when you honestly look at this and see how this is going to help you meet your goals. Budget buster number 3 is unrealistic expectations. So what really are you expecting from creating a budget? If you think that you're going to find all kinds of hidden cash or some magic silver bullet to help you with your spending, maybe that's not the right thing. I mean, the reality is that this is a long-term event and that you have to stick through this month after month, and it's going to really result in positive things for you down the road. In order to start budgeting with the best chances of success, you need to rule out the 3 biggest budget busters that we've talked about. Start with a positive attitude, good internal motivation, and realistic expectations, and you're sure to succeed in the long run. Find out more about money issues, money skills, and budgeting on ardentskills.com.